Finally, the long-awaited weapon by the Russian army has officially been received. What are the technological advantages of this Russian weapon? Is it better than NATO's weapons? The first wave of T-80BVM tanks received by the Russian army for 2025 is not just a delivery of a primary weapon system, but a significant milestone in the evolution of the country's combat technology. The arrival of these tanks marks a new phase in Russia's military modernization strategy, further cementing its position as one of the main powers in the global conventional warfare arena. Uralvagonzavod, the main combat vehicle manufacturer under Rostec, announced that all delivered T-80BVM units have undergone extensive modernization, based not only on theory and laboratory work, but also on real battlefield lessons, especially from the intense experience in Ukraine. Let's look at the modernization details. The modernization of the T-80BVM is not merely cosmetic or patching up old technology. On the contrary, it is a comprehensive transformation touching every critical aspect of the tank, from protection, firepower, mobility, to survivability in modern combat. One of the main features of this latest version is a multi-layered armor designed to counter the most advanced threats on the battlefield. The tank is now equipped with the latest generation Relikt reactive armor, capable of absorbing energy from modern anti-tank projectiles. Additional protection such as wire cages around the turret and hull, as well as protective modules on top of the turret to counter vertical attacks from drones, demonstrate how seriously Russia is addressing the changing threat landscape in 21st century warfare. The mobility advantage of the T-80BVM is also one of its main attractions. The GTD 1250 TF gas turbine engine with 1,250 horsepower not only delivers extraordinary power, but also allows operation in extreme environments such as -40°C temperatures. This makes the tank highly suitable for northern Russian territories as well as conflict zones with harsh terrain conditions. In various tests, the tank has proven capable of reaching speeds up to 70 km/h, performing sharp maneuvers, and maintaining performance in muddy, snowy, or rocky terrain, conditions that often pose major challenges to other combat vehicles. In terms of armament, the T-80BVM is equipped with a 125mm 2A46 M4 main gun capable of firing various types of ammunition, including conventional anti-tank projectiles and guided missiles such as the 9K119 Reflex. This provides flexibility in engaging targets at various ranges, whether combat vehicles, bunkers, or low-altitude aerial threats. Accuracy enhancement is also a key focus, with the advanced 1PN96MT thermal sighting system enabling the tank crew to day and night, even in low visibility conditions. Additional weapon stabilization systems and the latest driver observation devices further perfect the T-80BVM's combat performance in intense and dynamic situations. One of the most notable innovations in the T-80BVM variant is the integration of the Volnarez anti-drone system, with a specialized antenna capable of disrupting enemy drone signals from multiple directions. This system serves as a highly effective electronic defensive weapon against the increasingly widespread use of drones in modern warfare. The integration of this technology demonstrates that battles are no longer just about steel and bullets, but also about dominance in the electromagnetic spectrum. Coupled with the ability to reverse at speeds up to 20 km/h, the T-80BVM has a tactical advantage in quickly repositioning under attack pressure, an advantage that is crucial in modern combat, which prioritizes speed and movement flexibility. The tank's reliability is not only proven on paper. Reports from various sources, especially from the conflict in Ukraine, state that the T-80BVM continues to operate and fight even after multiple hits from modern Western-made anti-tank weapons. This high survivability relies not only on passive and active armor, but also on the integration of protection systems designed to complement each other. The tank crew feels more confident and able to perform their duties with greater focus thanks to the thoroughly upgraded tank systems. Rostec considers the T-80BVM an integral part of Russia's main trio of tanks alongside the T-72BVM and T-90M. Together, they represent a modern integrated modernization strategy that updates the tanks, not only technically, but also in terms of production and distribution. Since 2023, Omsk Transmash, responsible for assembling the T-80, has increased its modernization capacity to 400 units per year. This step is a response to rising pressures on various fronts, both geopolitically and from direct battlefield needs. When compared to Western tanks like Germany's Leopard 2A6, which was once touted by Western media as a game-changer, the T-80BVM actually proves to be more resilient on the real battlefield. Evaluations of captured Leopard tanks in Ukraine revealed that these tanks have vulnerabilities to drone attacks and guided missiles. Meanwhile, improvisations such as installing cope cages on Ukrainian tanks have shown to provide only limited protection and often come at the expense of other factors like visibility or speed. In contrast, the T-80BVM's design was originally developed with a comprehensive protection approach, making the difference very clear. The advantages of the T-80BVM are also evident in its systemic approach to technology integration. This tank is not only physically robust, but also digitally advanced. Its new communication system, resistant to electronic jamming, ensures that coordination between units is maintained even under intense disruption. This is a vital aspect of modern electronic warfare, where the ability to stay connected can be the decisive factor for victory. In the complex conditions of war today, ranging from cyber attacks to unmanned aerial reconnaissance, the T-80BVM offers a comprehensive solution that combines conventional strength with modern sophistication. The challenges on today's battlefield do not only come from visible enemies, but also from invisible technologies such as jamming, satellite reconnaissance, and autonomous drone strikes. However, Russia, through the T-80BVM, demonstrates that it is not only capable of keeping up with the times, but also setting new standards in combat vehicle design. The modernization implemented is a result of real-world experience, not merely experimentation. With all the enhancements and innovations incorporated, the 2025 version of the T-80BVM is not just a war machine, but a representation of Russia's military philosophy, endurance, rapid adaptation, and integrated technological dominance. So, in your opinion, how far can the T-80BVM perform in action? Leave your thoughts and thanks for watching.